there! Welcome to Life for Christ. Today's Bible tip is how to select the best Bible translation for you. So here's the quick skinny on how to pick the best Bible translation for you in just a couple minutes. No Bible needed on hand and you can do it anywhere. Let's get to it. Here we are at BibleGateway.com, and this is the website we're going to use to find the Bible translation that works best for you. So what you do is you put a scripture in the very top search bar. I'm going to put in Luke 1:37, and then when you click this little down arrow, scroll down to English translations and check this out. Look at this huge list of all English Bible translations. It's amazing. So now you don't need to buy a bunch of Bibles or thumb through a bunch of Bibles. It's all at your fingertips right here. So let's go ahead and select a version. I'm going to pick King James, and let's see what it says. For with God nothing shall be impossible. All right, let's choose another translation and to see if it differs. I'm going to pick here the Common English Bible. It says, nothing is impossible for God. A little different, kind of puts a different spin on the meaning there. Let's try the New International Version, NIV. It says, for no word from God will ever fail. Okay, that's really different than the first two. Should we try one more? Let's give it a shot. How about the Good News Translation? That one says, for there is nothing that God cannot do. So what you'll want to do from here is put in more scriptures and select different English translations and cross-compare and see which translation best jives with you. And that's the quick skinny. And FYI, I have a beginner Bible study series, Introduction to the Bible. I created it for brand new Bible newbies. Maybe you've never opened a Bible before, maybe you've started but it's just intimidating and confusing and harder than you thought, and maybe you just don't know where to start. But you want to if you could just get a little help in the takeoff. Now if this sounds like you, you're in the right place. Or if you know somebody who would benefit from a class like this, then hit that share button and let them know there's a class just for them waiting. So click here for class 1, where we cover crucial Bible information to get you started enrolling in your new Bible journey. We cover crucial information that's essential to know, including one of the most important skills to have in Bible reading, and that is how to look up scripture. I take you step by step on how to do that. Class number 2 dives deeper into Bible translations way beyond this quick and skinny Bible tip video. And I cover other really important topics that contribute to picking the best Bible translation for you, such as what's a study Bible and what's the difference between a study Bible and a traditional standard Bible. Plus, I give the answers to other really important Bible newbie questions, such as what's a red letter Bible and do I need one? Subscribe here if you want to see more videos like this one. Ding the bell so you don't miss a single video that I upload. And I'll be seeing you here in classes 1 and 2. Bye for now.